I just need to go home to my grandma. I need to go home to my grandma. And she dies before I'm there. I just want to get home to my grandma. I swear to God.
Listen to me.
Officer Ryan.
Ronnie.
Nikki about to be the last one you remember. I've done nothing wrong.
I've done nothing wrong.
I've done nothing wrong.
A dying grandmother, a missed flight, a profane outburst at a TSA checkpoint. What began as one passenger's desperate plea to get home ended with her face on the floor, blood on her cheek, and felony charges waiting at the Orange County Jail. September 23, 2023, Orlando International Airport. The question this footage forces us to ask is not what happened, but whether it had to.
You know what? You suck a dry, you son of a.
Do all the time.
Yeah, you suck your grandma's dry.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
I didn't do to you guys. I just need to go home to my grandma. I need to go home to my grandma. And she dies before I'm there. I just want to get home to my grandma. I didn't do to you.
She's been drinking too.
I didn't do shit. Yes. Take my ID. Like I have not done shit to the mother Americans. Please. No.
No?
No. I didn't do any. I didn't swear at any of these. Really?
I've asked you, please do not use profanity.
Cracker is profanity?
No, you just said MF.
Cracker? I meant like, you know, saltine. Is that a profanity? Because y'all don't act right? Can we please just get me through the motherfucking line so I can get to my motherfucking life? Is cracker profanity for real? It's only when you guys are treating people like it's funny.
Is that the only guy?
Because he's the only one that don't look.
This one and that.
What the start shit? Because he's the only one that don't look offended. Yo, what the I swear to God.
Listen to me.
Officer Ryan.
Ronnie.
Nikki about to be the last one you remember.
Alright, Nikki.
Let me out of the line. I just need to go home to my grandma.
You're gonna get
I'm not gonna check my
Nikki.
You look like I got I just want to get home to my grandma.
Go ahead.
What the Get me home. I need to get home to my grandma right now, B. Like, that's all I'm asking. I just want to get home to my grandma. I'm not trying to bomb the airline. I'm not trying to transport. I just want to see my grandma for the last time. I just want to see my grandma, B. I just want to see my grandma. Yo,
Are you gonna take a breath? Take a breath.
Yo, my grandma's dying as we speak.
Nikki.
My grandmother's dying.
Nikki.
You want me to take a breath?
Nikki.
Yo, I just want to go home and see my grandma. You're tripping. I haven't done anything wrong.
Do you want to go?
Deodorant. A toothbrush.
Please.
What have I done wrong? I just want to go home and see my grandma. Wrong. I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong. My grandma died. The blood pressure is 186 over 160. My grandma dies on your watch, mother. My grandma dies on your watch, mother. Yo, I just want to see my grandma one last time. Ma'am, please.
Nikki.
Ma'am, please. My grandma. It's 186 over 160. I just want to get home.
Give it to your supervisor. I'm dealing with this.
Please. My grandma is the only thing that means anything to me. Please help me. I just need to get to my grandma before she dies. No, you're treating me like.
Sir.
You're treating me like. I just want to say bye to my grandma.
What time does this plane leave?
We need to get the footage out.
My grandma's a JetBlue. My grandma's the only thing that means anything to me. Please help me. I'm not a
Miss Where are you headed, dear?
Boston.
Going to Boston?
I just want to see my grandma.
Do you have your flight information real quick so we can try to get you on that flight?
I just want to see my grandma one last time, B.
Okay, you're going to see her. Just take a breath for a
No,
second.
you don't understand how she sounds.
We're working with you. My name's Officer Ronnie. I'm going to help
You're
you.
not working with me.
We are.
You treating me like... I don't know where it went.
Well, you need your flight stuff. Where's your
No,
flight
it
stuff?
was right.
Take your time.
Yup. Ooh.
How do you feel?
I don't feel good. I just need to go. One of my grandmas. I just had my flight. No, don't play with me.
I'm trying to figure it out.
No, don't play with me.
She's going to Boston.
Don't play with me. My flight was... Don't play with me. Don't play with me. My flight was right here. Y'all
Where's
play
your
with me.
paperwork,
I printed it out. It was in my purse. Y'all
Is
playing
it
with me.
in, nobody took
No,
her
y'all
flight
playing
stuff
with
yet?
me. Y'all playing with me, for real. Don't play
Is it
with
in
me.
your thingy maybe?
Don't
Your
play with me.
suitcase?
Open it up. Open it up. I have nothing to hide.
No, I'm asking you to find your flight stuff. I don't
I
want to
had it
find
right-
anything. I'm trying so I can get you to Boston.
Y'all had it right here, so I can fly out.
Please
Don't
have
play
a
with me.
supervisor
Don't play
for
with me.
late night for an alarm.
I wasn't... My ID's right there
I know.
on the floor.
I know.
No, but my ID's on the floor. My ID's on the floor, next to your foot. I didn't do anything to anything.
I don't know where your
No, but
stuff
my...
is for the flight.
No, I just had it. I just had it. Look, my ID's there.
Get her away from here.
No, I need to get to my flight. He has my ID right there. He's holding my ID.
name's
Look at it. Look at my ID's in his hand.
Stop talking, please. Stop. I don't want to hear another
No,
word
my
from
ID's in his
Stop.
hand.
Stop. What problem do you guys have with her?
No problem.
If you don't go through that screening process, you can't fly.
I'm going through the screening
Nikki,
process,
where's
but
your-
he's treating me like
Where's
my
your
ID's in
paperwork?
your hand.
Because you're
Sweetie,
acting out.
where is
Kiss
your
my-
paperwork to
No,
fly?
my grandma's dying.
That's all
My
right.
grandma's dying.
That's good.
Speak.
I feel
Yeah,
bad.
that's
I'm
good.
sorry. But
That's
the thing-
good.
You gotta
That's
act
good.
like a
That's
don't.
good.
Stop
That's
crying.
good.
Stop
That's
crying.
good.
Where's your
That's
boarding
good.
pass?
Where is
Where's your
It
boarding
was
pass?
right here.
It's not, Nikki.
No, that ain't right. You have my license in your hand.
Ma'am.
Is it a boarding
Ma'am.
pass?
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay.
You need to take a breath.
Statement signed that she's interrupted up to your thing.
Yo.
Lock her up, take her to jail.
Yo, that's not
Yes,
fair,
yes.
Mom.
Somebody's got to
My
let us know we
grandma's
can do
dying.
that. For
My
disorderly.
grandma's dying. Disorderly?
I can smell the alcohol in you from here.
The alcohol?
Stop. Stop. Stop.
He has my ID.
Yeah, but we're trying to figure out what we're going to do because you don't have a boarding pass.
I
you
have
need
a boarding pass. That's not true. I have a boarding pass.
Where's your
I
boarding
have-
pass?
You got to give me
If you got a boarding pass, they'll let you
Okay,
through.
so stop
And you got to
yelling
stop
at me.
yelling.
But that's
But
not
you're
fair.
yelling.
Y'all been yelling at me.
Because
My
you're
grandma-
screaming out.
Because
Listen,
my
stop.
grandma's dying
Stop.
right now.
I feel
Y'all
bad your
are
grandma's dying,
fucking
but I
up.
don't want to hear about it anymore. Get your boarding pass and get ready to go.
Before
What
they
are you airline you
they
flying?
don't want you on the plane. As long as you can
They
show
don't
your
want me on the
no,
plane?
as long as you can show your boarding pass. I've been asking.
I've
for
been
10 minutes,
trying, but
then
y'all
you'll
been
get on the
screaming
plane.
at me.
Don't worry about it.
I'm not...
What airline you flying?
JetBlue. I just
JetBlue's not here. It's a different air. You got to go to a different terminal.
You're lying.
JetBlue hasn't flown here since October.
You're not lying. You're playing with me. So I have to go to a whole nother...
Your driver's license
Yeah.
comes back to a Nikki E. Chapman,
Yeah.
1054.
Can I get my license back to get over there? That's
If you want, we'll take over there.
My number, just save that for a little bit.
I'm not sure.
We're gonna walk you out. You're gonna walk out over here. You're gonna have to walk out here. We're gonna walk
My
out.
grandma's dying.
I know that. Stop. For fifth time, I understand that. But we're trying to help you out. So stop. JetBlue does not fly to this terminal.
They said Terminal
No.
C.
This is A and B. This is A and B. This is not C.
Not near C.
You're nowhere near C.
We're gonna help you. Just take a breath.
My grandma's gonna die while I'm sitting in this time.
0136 350
Well, you
136.
should have thought about that.
This Florida airport encounter presents three core legal questions worth careful examination. When does constitutionally protected speech become prosecutable disorderly conduct? When is the use of force objectively reasonable? And what conduct elevates a misdemeanor to a third-degree felony under Florida law? In City of Houston v. Hill, the Supreme Court held that profane and insulting speech directed at law enforcement is generally protected by the First Amendment. The court reasoned that the freedom to verbally challenge police is a hallmark of liberty in a free society. However, this protection is not absolute. Under Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire, Fighting Words, those that by their utterance inflict injury or tend to incite an immediate breach of the peace fall outside First Amendment protection. The Florida Supreme Court applied this distinction in State v. Saunders, narrowing Florida Statute Section 877.03 to reach only fighting words. Under controlling Florida precedent, loud or profane language alone, without an accompanying physical act, does not constitute disorderly conduct. The legal calculus shifts, however, under the totality of the circumstances doctrine. Here, the verbal conduct was paired with multiple independent statutory violations. Disorderly intoxication under Florida Statute Section 856.011. Interference with security screening under Title 49 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Section 1540.105. And a direct statement to an officer that, quote, Nikki about to be the last one you remember, close quote. Each element provides an independent basis for enforcement, transforming a pure speech analysis into a conduct-based prosecution.
You know what? You suck a pussy dry, you son of a...
Do it all the time.
Yeah, you suck your grandma's dry. So talk about my grandma.
Well, you're
suck
acting
your
like a fool.
dry.
You're acting like a fool.
I'm acting like
Because you're
a fool.
drunk and you don't know where you're going.
I'm acting like a fool.
Yes, you are.
Suck your own grandma's
all right,
dry,
I will.
you evil son of a bitch.
You.
Yeah, suck a dry, you son of a bitch. So talk about my grandma, you son of a bitch. You hear him talking about my grandma?
Put your hand down.
Ow! Okay, that's okay, but you're not gonna beat on me. Okay,
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. You're under arrest. Stop resisting. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Stop resisting.
Let go. Let go. Stop resisting.
You're breaking my arm. I'm not resisting.
Let go of your bag.
Take all your bag.
Go of your bag.
Yo, what the f***? Yo,
Get up.
look at what they just did to me.
Get up.
Get up.
Yo, help.
Get up.
I'll get this.
They just, I'm not doing anything. No, that's my bag. Please pick my bag up. Mama, please pick my bag up. I bled. Look at what they just did to me. Mama, I need to get hold of my grandma. Yo, you're flipping out on me for no reason. Yo, you're breaking my wrist. Stop.
283.
Stop.
I'm not doing anything.
Nikki, stop.
Help me.
You're moving at Delta Southwest.
I'm not doing anything.
Delta.
We need a cage,
Stop.
We got you.
I'm not doing anything, man.
Where you from?
My please.
She is too.
I am, please. You're
No.
hurting me
You got her.
bad.
Here we got it.
You're hurting me bad. You're hurting me bad. Please let me pick up my purse. My
get it for
ID's
you.
on the
We'll get it
floor.
for
No, please pick up
it
my.
for you.
Please pick up my ID.
We'll get it for you.
Please. I didn't do anything to you. My grandma's dying right now. Why y'all doing this to me? My grandma. Yo, please just pick up my grandma's. Yo, I didn't do anything to anybody. I didn't do anything to anybody. I have done nothing to you. It's funny.
Hold on.
It's funny.
I got
It's funny.
I have them. Come on.
Yes,
Go with
it's
you.
funny.
going
It's
this
funny. You yes, it's funny. It's funny. You're not gonna keep breaking my arm. I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. What are you doing to me?
Miss, if you don't walk,
I need a pee. You're literally making me.
Walk.
Yo, stop. What are you doing? Yo,
Miss, walk.
what are you doing? Okay, stop. So you're not going to pull me in two different directions. You're walking in two different directions.
Ma'am, walk. Ma'am, stop resisting the police and stand up. Stand up. She's got blood coming out of her vagina.
Use of force is governed by Graham versus Connor and its objective reasonableness standard. Courts weigh three factors: the severity of the offense, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting or attempting to flee. Active resistance is plainly visible on the footage. The hard empty hand control technique applied falls within level 2 on standard force continuums. Under Atwater versus Lago Vista, custodial arrest is permissible even for minor misdemeanors, foreclosing any argument that the arrest itself was disproportionate. The legal floor for justified force was met. The decisive legal moment is the spitting incident. In CB versus State, the Florida 4th District Court of Appeal held that spitting on a law enforcement officer constitutes battery, Florida Statute Section 784.07 reclassifies that battery from a first-degree misdemeanor to a third-degree felony, carrying up to 5 years imprisonment. A single act of saliva contact converted this incident from a routine disorderly conduct citation into a multi-felony prosecution.
Listen,
ma'am.
listen.
I just need to see my grandma.
Face me.
He's hurting me on purpose.
Listen.
No, stop him. Stop him.
Slide in.
I need my wallet.
I
I need to see it. I need to see
Money,
it.
it's right here.
That's not fair. I've done nothing wrong. I paid $400 for a ride home.
Stop spitting on me.
No, that's not
Stop
fair.
spitting on me.
Ow!
Thank you.
The responding officers receive a B-. De-escalation efforts were sustained and substantive, but the visible facial injury and the absence of timely spit protection equipment warrant review. The subject receives a D. Her speech was constitutionally protected. Her physical resistance and biological assault on an officer were not. The Transportation Security Administration and the responding agency receive a B for compliant escalation procedures and trained personnel response, with procedural gaps in injury documentation and biohazard precautions. 3 lessons stand out. First, profane speech toward officers is generally protected, but the conduct surrounding that speech is independently evaluated. Second, federal security environments, such as airport checkpoints, carry elevated legal exposure that narrows the practical scope of personal liberty. Third, even momentary biological contact, including spitting, can transform a misdemeanor encounter into a felony prosecution under Florida law, a legal threshold often misunderstood. Let us know in the comments which interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more police court analysis.